Hi guys, what's up? Today we are taking a look at Sprezzabox for July of 2018. Not really too much to say in this intro, so with that being said, let's get into it. And here, of course, is the box. We open up the box and we have two pieces of advertisement in it. And of course the card with everything in this month's box with, of course, the price point. First thing out of the box are these no-show socks. These are great if you want to have that no-shock look for summer. Next is this red tie with bicycles on it. A pair of sunglasses that are tortoiseshell. Very cool. A lapel pin. A blue and red trimmed pocket square. And last but not least is this shoe bag to store your shoes in when you travel. Very nice. And there you have it, Sprezzabox for July of 2018. Now, of course, I am going to show you how to style this month's Sprezzabox. We start at the shoes, a pair of brown tall-sire loafers with, of course, the no-show socks, a pair of tan chinos, the gray vest with the pocket square and the lapel pin, this simple blue button-down shirt with the red bicycle tie, and of course the sunglasses. And there you have it, Sprezzabox for July 2018. Sprezzabox is a monthly subscription box service at $28 a month. Now the box's value is always more than that $28, and July's box, it is no different, at a value of $118. If you take into consideration that most good quality ties and sunglasses are going to cost you more than $28, it is a great bang per buck. And with this being said, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.